Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for tomorrow, 29th of May 2024. Starting with Forex Factory, let's have a look what's going on and on the Forex Factory for the news. And we got 3 p.m. medium packed USD news. Otherwise, we have Euro news at 7 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. we got AUD news if you trade in those pairs. However, we normally trade on US XAU USD gold, so this is more concerning to us. 3 p.m. USD. All these times are UK times, right? Jump into the charts, see what's happening here. Market had a rejection, as you can see from daily. We see that almost few days now that this liquidity was taken here and market came down, and in daily we had this rejection. And what next? This is level. Market definitely can come up to this level, and it's also a 50% retracement level. So it's possible the market comes around this level, and then in daily we possibly can see the rejection from here. So let me just a little bit more bigger. This is the daily situation. And 4 hours, you can see this. In 4 hours we have this level here. And the market rejected from here. And now it's possible the market will break this level to the upside. And before I move it out further, let's see. As I said previously, the market is possible to market can go to this side. That's market went according to our analysis. But before it did, what the market did here, this level was broken. And if you go on smaller time frame, you can trace that easily. That this level was broken. As soon as it's broken, you can take a sell trade and put stop loss here, because as soon as multiples of candles here broken on here as well as here, if you want to be more careful, just wait for this level to be broken and then stop loss here and sell, because as you can see we had a fair value gap here as well. This was a fair value gap in 1 hour. In fact, let me see here. Although there is no fair value gap, but because there is this range was broken. So, and also not only that, we had this level here as well. So market, and we had news, and news was positive, and the market went to the downside. Okay. It was not. I don't think there was a news. News was further to this here around 3 o'clock, and market went to the downside. Anyway, this was the situation. Just because there's a rejection from this level here, as you can see, and there's the candle. This is a rejection candle here, and market came down. This candle, this bearish candle, clearly signals the movement to the downside bar, but to go into smaller time frame, you can even more analyze it. That this evening star and then this big candle, engulfing candle. So that means market will come down. The stop loss here, and then market candle downside. So first target could be easily here, and second target this this order block or uh, demand area, whatever you call it. And from here, this candle clearly shows the market is moving to the upside. Confirmation candle this. Uh, and if you go in smaller time frame, you probably have multiple confirmations here, as you can see this candle. And there's a liquidity sweep here from stop loss hunt, and then when this candle is formed, when market came down here, and we can take a buy trade. Although there is a fair value gap, this all is not all completely covered. It's a fair value gap, but in smaller time frame. But in 1 hour, we are fine. So this is the how the market moved, and then this was a support level. Market went broke this because as you can see the way the market is moving, and market is bullish in 1 hour. So definitely you can expect this break of this line here, because we have this level here. Let me draw again. Yeah, we have this level here, and this was the candle. This was tested. Now I am definitely expecting the market to come to up to this level, 2369, right? And let's see in 4 hours. 1 hour we already seen that is highly likely the market will come around this area before we come, which can see a retracement, or we can see rejection from here. And daily market definitely is bearish. So this is a retracement. We can see, probably can see another impulse from here in 4 hour. So definitely in 4 hour as well. Once this is broken, this is the next strong level here. So it looks like even 4 hour. Sorry, let me go on to 4 hours. So three, four, five. So market this is a 4 hour level here. So we possibly can see rejection from here, and how we can work around. If we can see some good rejection, some good signs, we can see some rejection from here, sorry. And then when the market comes down here, we can see the buy opportunity possibly. So at the moment, I would say that market is up to the going to the upside. So that is how it is the situation at the moment. And we can definitely explore in different time frames, like 12 hours, 6 hours. that's the situation. As I said earlier, we must. It's highly likely that market will test this 50% level around here, this area. So we definitely be expected at the moment to that movement to the upside. Anyway, I'll leave that it is, but always go to smaller time frame and do make sure your entries are correct. I hope this is helpful, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.